Stretching across the southern tip of Florida lies one of the most extraordinary wetlands on Earth, the Florida Everglades. This vast, slow-moving river of grass covers more than 1.5 million acres, creating a unique ecosystem unlike any other in the United States. Here, water, land, and sky blend together to form a wilderness teeming with life, mystery, and natural beauty. The Everglades are often called the River of Grass for good reason. A shallow sheet of water flows from Lake Okeechobee in the north all the way down to Florida Bay in the south, weaving its way through a seemingly endless expanse of sawgrass marshes. But it's not only grass that defines this landscape. The region is a patchwork of habitats: cypress swamps, mangrove forests, pine rocklands, freshwater sloughs, and coastal estuaries, each supporting its own community of plants and animals. This complex mosaic is what makes the Everglades such a haven for biodiversity. Exploring the Everglades often begins with an airboat ride, gliding over the shimmering surface of the water. The airboat's fan propels you through narrow channels and across open marshes, offering a front-row seat to the wild heart of Florida. As you move, you might catch sight of the sawgrass blades bending in the wind, or hear the distinctive call of a great blue heron echoing across the water. One of the most iconic inhabitants of the Everglades is the American alligator. These ancient reptiles have thrived in the wetlands for millions of years, perfectly adapted to their environment. With patience, you can spot them basking on the banks, their eyes and snouts just breaking the surface as they glide silently through the water. The Everglades are also home to the elusive American crocodile, a rarer sight but a testament to the region's unique blend of freshwater and saltwater habitats. Bird life in the Everglades is nothing short of spectacular. The wetlands serve as a critical stopover for migratory birds and a year-round home for many species. Roseate spoonbills with their pink plumage, wood storks, and hingas, snowy egrets, and osprey are just a few of the avian residents you might encounter. In the early morning or late afternoon, the sky comes alive with flocks of birds swooping and soaring, hunting for fish and insects among the reeds. Beyond alligators and birds, the Everglades shelter a host of other wildlife. White-tailed deer move quietly through the hardwood hammocks. River otters play in the clear streams, and if you're very fortunate, you might spot the endangered Florida panther, a symbol of the region's wild spirit. Countless fish, turtles, frogs, and insects thrive in these waters, forming a vital food web that sustains the entire ecosystem. But the Everglades are more than just a refuge for wildlife. They play an essential role in the health of South Florida, filtering water, recharging aquifers, and buffering the coast from storms. For centuries, indigenous peoples like the Miccosukee and Seminole have called this land home, living in harmony with the rhythms of the wetlands. Today, the Everglades face challenges from development, pollution, and climate change. Efforts are underway to restore natural water flow and protect this precious landscape for future generations. Visiting the Everglades is a chance to witness the resilience and wonder of nature, to marvel at a place where land and water merge in an endless dance of life. Whether you're gliding across the water on an airboat, watching the sun set over the marsh, or simply listening to the sounds of the wild, the Florida Everglades invite you to experience one of our planet's most remarkable natural treasures.